Many scientists and doctors are becoming convinced that avian flu, or H5N1, will be the WHO's disease X. As I revealed recently, gain-of-function research to make avian flu transmissible between humans has been ongoing in China since 2021. Here is a timeline of the globalist plan to infect humans with this disease, which currently can only be caught by direct contact with an infected bird and cannot be transmitted between humans. Note that H5N1 is just the most common of the H5 group of avian viruses. In December 2003, H5N1 viruses reemerged in Asia in wild birds, causing outbreaks in poultry and 2 fatal human infections in Hong Kong. In 2004, 19 million chickens were culled in British Columbia due to avian influenza. In January 2014, the first human infection with Asian lineage H5N1 virus in the Americas was reported in Canada in a traveler returning from China. As of May 2019, 861 human cases of H5N1 virus infection and 455 deaths had been reported from 17 countries since November 2003. During 2020, supposed gene swapping between poultry and wild bird viruses led to the emergence of H5N1 from wild birds. 5 human cases of H5N6 virus infection were reported in China. During 2021, China reported 36 cases of human infection with H5N6 virus, with 18 deaths. In early 2021, Peru reported that hundreds of sea lions had died from H5N1, suggesting the disease was passing between the sea lions. From January to April 2022, China reported 7 cases of H5N6 virus infection following poultry exposures, with severe or critical illness including 1 death. In May 2022, sporadic H5 virus infections in mammals were first reported in several U.S. states and Canadian provinces, as well as in other countries. From May to September 2022, China reported 4 human cases of H5N6 virus infection after poultry exposures, with severe or critical illness, including 1 death. In December 2023, H5N1 virus was found to have infected a polar bear for the first time. This also was the first time an Arctic animal died from the H5N1 virus. In March 2024, H5N1 virus infections were reported for the first time in juvenile goats on a farm, where a poultry flock had tested positive for the same virus. In March 2024, H5N1 detections were reported for the first time in dairy cows on farms in Kansas and Texas. April 1st, 2024, a person in the United States tested positive for highly pathogenic avian influenza. This was the first reported cow-to-human spread of H5N1 bird flu, thus priming the pump for destroying cattle herds. May 22nd, 2024, the CDC reports a second human case in a person who had exposure to infected dairy cows in Michigan. Finally, as of May 2024, in British Columbia alone, over 6 million chickens have been culled since October of 2022. The source for this timeline? The CDC website. It's clear they are ramping up the fear-mongering narrative, implying that over time the H5 viruses have been mutating to transmit from birds to other animals, and the next jump will be to humans, despite the fact that in all of history this has never happened. Now, add to this statements made this past week by U.S. FDA Commissioner Dr. Robert Guilbeault. This virus, like all viruses, is mutating. We need to continue to prepare for the possibility that it might jump to humans. The real worry is that it will jump to the human lungs where, when that has happened in other parts of the world, the mortality rate has been 25%. Dr. Guilbeault, who was speaking to the Agriculture Committee, said there was an urgent need for testing, antivirals, and a vaccine. Does any of this sound familiar?